All right, so we are on the Skill Builder website and we can create a free account or sign in. Uh, you have to use your Amazon account credentials to get access to the Skill Builder account. So let's go ahead and sign in since I already have an Amazon account. And here we will see there are different options. If any of these three options are applicable to you, go ahead and choose one of them. I'm going to log in with Amazon since I have an Amazon account. And here I'm going to click allow. Voila, we are here logged into the Skill Builder account. Let's see what courses are available for us in the course catalog. So here you have featured content which you can explore. There's also subscription content that you have to pay for to get access to or to enroll in. And here is where we want to go in and enroll. This is the AWS Cloud Quest for the cloud practitioner. Let's go ahead and click on that. And here is where we would choose enroll. All right, let's enroll in this course. And it says that I've been enrolled successfully. Let's click on Start Learning Now. And there's the first lesson. And look at some of the assignments that we have. We can go ahead and click on Start Now. This is the badge that you get when you complete all of these assignments. Let's click on Start Now and see what happens. And we are in. Let's go ahead and click on Start Game. For this, we're going to focus on our very first assignment, which is this one. Let's look. We are able to interact with people, ask them their problems. Here, you can see what rewards we are going to get. Most importantly, what are the learning objectives? Here it says we're going to create an Amazon S3 bucket, enable static website hosting on it, and we're going to test access to the web page. Let's go ahead and click on Start. This is the most interesting part I feel about learning to solve these challenges. You have video concepts that you can look at. You can look at all these videos. And
Welcome to an overview of the
so you can look at all of these. You can look at it with S3, well-architected overview, and refresh your concepts a bit. And this is the architecture that we are supposed to create in the challenge. There are 10 diagram steps. Let's look. Then this is what is the most important part, is what the solution is going to do. Access management tells you a little bit about what JSON is. And this is what it's actually doing. So they visit the web, visitors come to the web portal for wave information, and they are going to get the index.html web page. And this also talks about the do-it-yourself portion of the solution, where you are going to do it without any guidance. That does give you hints, and you will know what to do for the most part. Let's go ahead and click on Plan. So here is what the goals are. So we are going to create an Amazon S3 bucket, enable static website hosting, and we're going to secure it by using a bucket policy. This is the do-it-yourself section, which is we're going to rename index.html to waves.html. Let's click on Practice. All right, let's click on Start Lab. This will provision a sandbox for us to set up the architecture in. These are the steps that we have to follow. There are 29 steps in this lab. We are going to open the AWS console, which will open up in a new tab. Environment that has been provisioned for us. Let's go back to the Cloud Quest tab and look at the steps. There are also lab files that we would need to download. Now we'll download the lab files. Click on this and download it. Here we can see that they tell you in detail what to expect. So we know what we have downloaded, and if you go on to the other steps, you will be shown exactly where you need to click and exactly what to do. Let's look at the steps. So they ask you to create a bucket and then go ahead and set permissions for the bucket. Then we'll be uploading all the files that we extracted from the zip file that we downloaded earlier. We're going to upload it to this newly created bucket. We're going to enable static website hosting for the bucket. In the bucket policy, we also have a policy.txt in the file, that zip file that we downloaded. Do exactly what is told here. Copy the ARN of your bucket into that policy and paste it and save the changes. And finally, we'll go ahead and click on the website URL, which will show us this page, and we will have completed the practice section. Alright, so here is the bucket that I created following the steps in the Cloud Quest challenge. And these are the objects that it has. It has static website hosting enabled. For the permissions, blocking public access is turned off. And this is the bucket policy that I've substituted. Let's go and see if our website works. There it is. Let's go on to the do-it-yourself section of the challenge. We have to rename index.html to waves.html and then put our bucket name and press validate to get challenge completed. Let's go on to the console Here we'll go on to properties, scroll all the way down, edit, we'll rename index.html, save changes. We'll also have to rename this file. Now let's go ahead and put in bucket name and validate. We have finished the challenge, and let's go ahead and click on exit. And here you're being thanked for providing the solution. You can choose something good, select it, so we have unlocked many features by completing our first challenge. And something that I would like to show you is click here, and then we have our next assignment. Choose root and go, and there will be your next assignment already waiting for us. Hope you enjoyed this preview of Cloud Quest.